We do, and we do have a weather impact alert because there is that chance that we'll have some strong storms coming in Sunday morning. So that's when the storms are looked to roll in during the morning hours of Sunday. The biggest impact from these storms will be heavy showers and some strong gusty winds. There is a smaller chance, a lower risk for an isolated tornado with these storms rolling in. Really, the biggest thing will be the strong wind gust potential, heavy showers. Make sure you have a way to get weather alerts. The storms will be coming in pretty early in the morning on Sunday. By the afternoon Sunday, they should be moving out of here. Now, the rest of tonight and tomorrow will be trending dry. It is going to be warm and humid through Saturday. 80 degrees right now. It feels like 85. Dew points are in the mid 70s. It is muggy and humid out there with those dew points way up. Breezy still with southeast winds coming in 16 miles per hour. Today we hit a high of 85 degrees at the New Orleans International Airport. That actually tied the old record of 85 degrees. We've actually hit 85 several years in the past, once in 1956, once in 2017. So pretty common, I guess, to see 85, but it is a record, and it's a tied record for today in the books. Now, going into the overnight hours, expect mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures in the upper 70s will stay breezy with onshore winds continuing again tomorrow. So expect more minor coastal flooding tomorrow during the high tide in the afternoon and early evening, because we'll continue to see onshore winds, and it will be pretty breezy once again tomorrow. And then that'll be it. By Sunday, we'll be done with that because our winds will shift as a cold front moves in and gives us the storms on Sunday. Tomorrow looks like a nice day, partly sunny, maybe a couple stray showers. Most of us trending dry, 85 degrees, muggy and breezy tomorrow. Sunday, 76 degrees with cloudy skies, and the front brings us the storms in the morning, and then cooler weather starts to roll in the second half of the day Sunday, and it stays cool next week. Now, we still have ongoing storms across the Midwest and through Arkansas at this point. A cold front will continue to push into the deep south. More severe weather expected, not only right now across Arkansas, parts of the Midwest, but then tomorrow the severe risk shifts to the south. So northern Louisiana tomorrow, western Mississippi, still Arkansas, parts of East Texas. And also, as we get into early Sunday, we're still highlighted for a risk of severe weather here at home in southeast Louisiana, South Mississippi. Level 2 out of 5 risk. That has not changed. That stayed the same. Again, the biggest thing we're watching, strong winds, maybe an isolated tornado, and possibly some hail, lightning, and heavy showers within the storms early Sunday. So we'll skip right ahead through tomorrow. Looking nice tomorrow, maybe an isolated shower, not much. Looking good for Saturday. Then we fast forward getting into Sunday morning. So very early, 6, 7 a.m. Here is the line of storms. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, dealing with some heavy showers and storms. 9 to 10 a.m. still dealing with some storms around. By the time we get to lunchtime, 12 noon or so, the storms should be shifting off to the east and moving out of here. So we look pretty good as we get into the afternoon hours of Sunday. It's just the morning that's going to be wet and stormy, and then the front pushes that cooler and drier air in, and our pattern changes up. So our upper level pattern actually shifts. We've been under this ridge of high pressure that's kept us warm and will continue to keep us warm through tomorrow. That moves to the east, where it's replaced by an upper level trough that stays in place all next week. So not only will it be cool going into, late Sunday, Monday, but we'll actually see reinforcing shots of cooler air next week. So a little bit of a chill in the air, especially for our nights and mornings. And actually, as that pattern shifts, some snow is expected for West Texas tomorrow. Obviously, no snow for us, not going to get that cold, but at least we get a more of a refreshing, comfortable feel next week. Lots of sunshine, low humidity, gorgeous days all next week. Temperatures in the 60s in the afternoon Monday, low 70s Tuesday, Wednesday, just kind of gradually warming up later next week. But check out our morning lows in the 40s on the North Shore and 50s on the South Shore all next week.